it's Nicole and welcome back to our channel. Today we are back in Walt Disney World at Hollywood Studios in Orlando, Florida. Today we're going to be traveling back in time so we can go eat at the 50's Primetime Cafe. This restaurant is full of American nostalgia and a super hard reservation to get. Definitely leave us a comment if there is something different you want us to try next time. We'll be back at this restaurant again soon, so maybe more drinks or appetizers. Definitely let us know. And if you like videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out our channel and lets us continue making videos. So we're super excited to eat at the 50's Primetime. We've never ate at a sit down in Hollywood Studios. And this will be our very first time eating here. And we're super excited about it. We've heard great things about their food. And it's all like retro inside, and the waiters and waitresses are all dressed in retro outfits, and they also like kind of talk in retro language, I would say, so we're super excited about it. And on the side here is their bar, and that's where you can go and just get cocktails or milkshakes, I believe. So if you don't want like the full sit-down service, you can just go in there for drinks. So we're going to be going into our 50's Primetime reservation shortly. Are you excited?
Yep.
I'm super excited to eat here. I've wanted to eat here for a really long time. Yeah, for years and years. And we've never been able to get a reservation, but we finally got one this trip and we are so excited. They have very like 50's home style cooked food. It's really hot out today, so it's going to be nice to get in some air conditioning as well. And they should be calling us in about a minute or two. So if you're here and want to check their availability at 50's Primetime, here's the QR code that you can scan. But it does say dining reservations are preferred. Thank you. Yeah, we are so excited to finally be here. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of like my grandma's kitchen.
Perfect. The two of you?
Yep.
Yep.
Awesome. Have you been here before?
Nope.
No, it's our first time.
Have you in? If you need to use the restroom, it's going to be through that first hallway right there on the left. If you want to help with dishes, it's going to be that second hallway on the left, all right?
Thank you. Hi, thank you. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of my grandma's house so much. I'm so excited to be here. Oh, so cute. Thank you.
Mom's going to let you get off those fancy devices just this one time to scan that QR code and bring that menu up, but you better put it away after that, all right?
Okay.
Make sure to keep those elbows off the table, and Aunt Katie's going to be right with you.
Thank you.
I told Derek not to put his elbows on the table or he's gonna get in some big trouble here. We waited so long to be here and we're finally inside. We've never had their food, so I'm super excited. We're gonna share a couple different things. I think we're gonna get like a platter, like a sampler platter of all of the different food they have, onion rings. We're gonna get one of the drinks. I think it's like Dad's drink it's called. And then we're also gonna get one of the milkshakes. We do have a reservation later for Oga, so we don't wanna go too crazy here, but we're super excited to try everything. So that's why I think the sampler is your best option, so you get the most out of your time here since reservations are hard to get.
I'll put extra drink, peanut cherry or vanilla to any of those, freshly brewed sweet and unsweet tea, excellent homemade milkshakes and close, and I do have the keys to the liquor cabinet if you need an adult beverage.
Awesome.
Okay?
Yeah.
Hot roast, meatloaf, and fried chicken are of course the things we've always come back for.
Awesome.
Since you're in Mom's house, we do our best to follow Mom's rules. We keep our elbows off the table.
Told you.
Minor manners, say your pleases and thank yous, and you have to eat your veggies in order to have sweet treats.
Okay, thank you.
Okay? Any questions?
No, I think we're pretty good.
What can I get you started with?
Dad's electric lemonade is what we're gonna try.
I've had one or two of those, so I know.
And can we also get the peanut butter and jelly milkshake?
Yes, great choices all around. Okay.
Should we wait till the end for the milkshake or do it as a starter?
Why not start with dessert, right?
Okay, yeah,
I would
let's do
always
it.
start with it. Do
Awesome.
we need a couple minutes to decide on entrees?
No, I
I think
prefer.
we're good on that too.
Well,
Yeah. So we're gonna get the onion rings as like an appetizer, and then we wanted to share the platter. What is that one called?
Does that like a mom's favorite?
Yeah. What about like, can you do an extra side of like potatoes or something? Can we just get an extra side of potatoes? Because I don't really eat a lot of meat. Yes.
And the same gravy that comes on the sampler with
Yeah.
the turkey gravy?
Yeah, that's perfect.
That's where we're setting the table.
Awesome, thank you. She told us to set the table. So here's our silverware. I'm gonna set my napkin out, set my fork out, and my straws. So we're gonna try the sampler platter, and like I said, I don't eat a lot of meat, so I got an extra side of potatoes, we've got onion rings, a milkshake, an alcoholic beverage from Dad's cabinet. So I feel like we are getting the works here today.
Keep having to catch myself on the elbows.
I know, you're gonna get in trouble. Derek just mentioned we didn't get carded for our drinks, which is so sad. I still get carded sometimes when I'm alone, but when I bring him along, we tend not to get carded.
Put in jelly milkshake.
Look at that.
Lemonade. And some fancy lake water.
Thank you.
Thank you. Look at this drink. So this is Dad's electric lemonade. We're super excited to try that. And Derek's been dying for years to have this milkshake. It's a PB&J milkshake, so peanut butter and jelly milkshake. So let's try these. So I'm super excited to try this. It's not showing up on camera super well, but this is like the brightest blue drink I've ever had. Oh, this is pretty good. You can definitely taste the alcohol in it. It's pretty good though.
Is it strong?
Yeah, it's pretty strong. Ooh. And I'm gonna try the milkshake. So the milkshake comes with spoons actually. So let's try this. The milkshake is super peanut buttery. I don't know that I really taste any jelly in this. It's like a peanut butter milkshake.
Could be
It's
at the bottom.
so good. Yeah, maybe it's
Could
at
be
the
at the
bottom.
bottom. We didn't start it off. This is very strong.
All right, now I give you rings of onions.
Woo! Look at all of these.
My God.
This is a huge portion of onion rings. We haven't had onion rings for years, so this is super fun. My mouth is kind of frozen from those drinks right now, but I'm super excited to try these onion rings. Let's see.
They look good.
Here are the onion rings. There's some type of like white ranch sauce. They also came with ketchup, but this basket is a really big basket of onion rings. So that's super fun and comes in this little like fryer like you would get like if you were making them at home.
That's a lot of onion rings too.
Yeah, it's a lot of onion rings. So let's see what it tastes like. These are good. The onions are super crispy. They're kind of like a beer battered onion ring, but there's a lot of onion in them. I hate when you get onion rings and just all breading. So these ones are really good. So here's an up close of the, what was this one called? Dad's Lemonade.
Electric blue lemonade.
Yeah, Dad's Electric Blue Lemonade. Here's a close-up of the onion rings. They were really good. Derek's finishing off his peanut butter and jelly milkshake. Hold on, let me get into focus. Yeah, so he really did a number on that. That was really good. Peanut butter and jelly sounded super strange, but
so it's not chunky.
yeah, it's all blended. It really pretty much tasted like a peanut butter milkshake, so that was really good. Yeah, but it's not, yeah, it's definitely not overpowering. It was a really good milkshake. And I don't even like vanilla milkshakes, so, and they have vanilla ice cream in it, but yeah, this drink is really good. I think it has Sprite in it, some different types of alcohol, but it's really good. Okay, so everything has been so good so far. Now we're just waiting for our entree, which is going to be a big sampler platter. Okay, so our food just came. Here's my extra side of mashed potatoes since I don't really eat a lot of meat. And then here is our big entree. So we got the sampler platter with mashed potatoes. What is this?
Hot roast.
Hot roast, chicken,
Meatloaf.
meatloaf, and some green beans. So we'll let you know how it is. Okay, so I'm gonna start by trying the green beans. Here's what they look like, just pretty typical green beans. They taste pretty good. They taste like they have like a garlic butter sauce on them. And I'll taste the mashed potatoes. So here's the mashed potatoes and gravy. Pretty typical. The mashed potatoes and gravy are actually really good. They're pretty salty, but that makes them taste really good. Try a little bit of the pot roast, maybe. pot roast next. Derek's afraid I'm gonna fling it on him.
You're gonna fling gravy on me.
That was pretty good too. It tastes like pot roast like my mom would make. And it's really good for being in a theme park. And then let's try a little piece of this meatloaf. So I think I got some mashed potatoes on here along with some meatloaf. So here is the meatloaf. And here goes nothing. The meatloaf is pretty good as well. I don't normally eat meat, so Derek's in the background like laughing his head off because I don't normally eat meat. So I'll let him try the chicken, but everything's been really good so far.
Grab the chicken leg.
No.
Good?
Good. Okay, since I don't normally eat meat and I don't really like chicken like this, Derek's gonna try the chicken for us and let us know what he thinks of it. Chewing, chewing, chewing.
It's good. It's like your fried chicken. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
Just super typical, I feel like, American food. And yeah, it tastes really good. So for being in a theme park, it's not like really fried food besides for the chicken. Yeah, and it tastes really good. Something fun to do. I think the star of the show though is just the atmosphere in here. All the decorations, the wallpaper, it's just a really fun atmosphere. Our waitress is really fun and funny, so that really makes our experience. So here's a close-up of the mashed potatoes, and they come with a beef gravy. Here's a close-up of the pot roast, just a little chunk of it, the green beans, and then this is a better look at what the meatloaf looks like. So let me see if I can show you guys that. It's all been really good though so far. Derek and I have a lot of eating to do today, so we're definitely splitting this little sampler platter. But it's not too much food, so you could definitely eat it yourself.
Decent amount of food though.
It's a decent amount, yeah,
the
but
milkshake and-
yeah, if you get like a lot of appetizers, milkshakes, then you could split it. If this is all you're getting, it is a good portion for one person as well. So what did you think about your food?
2 thumbs up. It was good. I like it.
I think my favorite part about the dinner was my dad's blue lemonade as well as the milkshake. The food was good. I'm just not a big meat eater. But again, the drinks were amazing. The milkshake was amazing. And the atmosphere is super amazing, as well as our waitress who's from Gibsonia, PA, which is super close to Pittsburgh, PA. So that was super fun having like a local connection as well. She was amazing. Here's a good shot of one of the kitchen tables with no one sitting at it. So they have like a little TV, appliances, cookie jars. They're super cute, and then there are tables all along the walls as well. We're at like a back table over here against this wall, so we have a really good view of a bunch of the tables in all the other rooms. Okay, so we just got done with our 50's prime time lunch. What did you think? We're outside now. It was really good. Derek thinks the atmosphere was awesome. I thought the atmosphere was
Waitress
awesome.
was like in character the whole time, which was really cool.
Yeah, she was so much fun. She was close to where we're from, so that was exciting. But it was definitely like the atmosphere that really made the restaurant, and the food was really good. It was something different than just like french fries and chicken tenders at a theme park. So we are gonna go explore more of Hollywood Studios, and then we have another reservation tonight for Oga's Cantina for more drinks. So I'm super excited about that. And my drink that was light up in here, they let me take the cube with me. So I may have to put that in some other drinks this vacation as well. So fun little souvenir. We got little stickers as well when we left there. So all together, really great time. Thumbs up for me.
Okay, so we're gonna end this video here. Lunch at 50's Primetime was great, 100% worth a visit if you're at Hollywood Studios and can snag a reservation. And again, we'll be back soon, so don't forget to leave us a comment about what we should try next. Definitely hit that subscribe button because we're going to Oga's Cantina tonight and you won't wanna miss that video. Thanks for watching, bye guys!